kwathi angishisa ukuyigcomelisha abafana bathi angishisa ukuyigcomelisha ngithi
kuthathe kwenze njani mangishela
This is not performance. This is not fashion. This is not spectacle. This is not controversy. This is memory. This is identity. This is continuity. Welcome to Nkosi Umhlanga, the Zulu Royal War Dance. A living tradition, a sacred gathering, a declaration that a people still know who they are. Today, we journey together, not as tourists, not as critics, but as witnesses. From the royal homestead of Kwahangala Mankengane Royal Palace to the ancestral grounds of Enyokeni Royal Palace. This is the story of dignity, told through song,